Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to display inventory quantity on your product page. Get started. So in order to do that, we first need to head over to this online store. Then from here, you should be able to see the online store that you have. Now for this one, let's click on this customize right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see what your store will look like. Now click on this home page, then click on products right here. Now you have this default product right here. And then in here, you can see my product. So what we can do is we can actually scroll down and click on this add block right here. Now for this one, click on this inventory status. And then as you can see right here, we can see that there's some inventory in stock. So earlier, there's no 100 in stock. But now that we have added that, we have now see that we can actually see how much or how many t-shirts are available or products available in the site. So for example, it put in here 101, which will not be able to add this to our cart since there is only 100 in stock. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.